Hey guys, on today's video we're going to take a look at the battle pass. So there's two ways to purchase this, and you do have to use V-Bucks in order to purchase the battle pass, not actual money. To gift it out you need actual money, not V-Bucks, but to purchase it for yourself only using V-Bucks. So the first thing you have to do is buy some V-Bucks for yourself, so make sure to buy whatever makes sense to you. I always end up buying the most that I can. That's just because that makes sense, because I do giveaways. Anyways, apart from that, you would go into the item shop if you would want to buy the battle pass for yourself. So you would see it down here below. You can click on it and then just buy it from here. It is 950 V-Bucks. Now, if you don't see this for some reason in your item shop, there is a tab up here besides play. The second one will say battle pass. Down here below, you're going to see get the battle pass. Now, if you already had the battle pass, instead of saying get the battle pass, it would say gift the battle pass. So once again, you can get the battle pass both ways. Right now, we're just going to do it from the item shop. It's the same thing. I would also suggest to put in tech and design as your support creator code. Now you may notice on the bottom right hand side it does say supported creator. That's where you can put this tech and design. Anyways, we're gonna go on and buy that battle pass. We're gonna tap on it, then X, and we're gonna spend those V-Bucks. Now what you can do right away is buy 25 levels. That's your second option, or the first option where it just says confirm your purchase. Levels, that means that besides the battle pass, you will also be buying levels, and that way you can just get the skins faster. Now for me, that's kind of useless because you will get to level 25 anyways, or even level 100 regardless. So as long as you play Fortnite, you will be able to do that. And there are ways, very easy ways to level up pretty fast without actually having to buy levels. So that's what I wouldn't suggest to do, buying levels. So we're just going to purchase and confirm the purchase right now for the battle pass. So here we go. Here's the battle pass. We just unlocked it. And we're gonna get our first skin that we can equip. Let's might as well equip it. Going to next. Then we're gonna claim this 5 battle stars. And there we go. So right now we officially have the battle pass. Now I shouldn't see the battle pass anymore in the item shop. So if I reload this, again I should only see this battle pass levels. So at this point I can buy battle pass levels. So right now if you go into battle pass, like I mentioned before, we can buy levels down here, or we can gift the battle pass. So we do have those two options down here below, and this you would only have that option once you buy the battle pass. Now the rewards, to claim rewards, you do need battle stars. So right now, obviously I haven't played at all, so I only have those 5 battle stars because I just started. And in order to claim this whole thing, I would need a total of 44 battle stars. What does that mean? I need to play Fortnite. At this point in time, I could claim something that's 5 battle stars. So for example, I could get some V-Bucks, or I could claim this awesome screen. But what I like to do is claim my rewards later on once I get enough battle stars. So right now I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna go back to play and get started playing Fortnite. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.